Good evening, one and all. Yeah, I can explanation for control post flow statement. I have explanation about today's topic taken by subject is Python. First of all, I will explanation about my side. Control plus statement. Control plus statements. The control plus statements are there are used to there are used to control plus statement execution. Since there are the control plus statements, there are the control plus statements are the control there there are three types. First one is first one is conditional statements. And the conditional statements and looping statements. Second one is looping statements. Third one is transfer statements. Transfer transfer statements. These are using for three types of control plus statements. First one, I will explanation about control plus statements is the first one is conditional statements. Inside conditional statements is there. First one is if condition. Second one is if else condition. Third one is elif condition. Fourth one is switch multiple condition. multiple condition. Fourth one is tested tested if conditions. These are three types of the conditions, and the conditional statement is if you want to if you want to execute specific statement. Specific statement. Statement based on condition. So that use conditional statement. It is using for the executions. We have taken if you want to take in the specific statements, it can be executed. For it is based on conditional use for conditional statements, like that if else, elif, and multiple conditions, and nested if condition. These are using for the conditional statements. For example, first you have taken that if conditions. If condition, then if condition, if you have only one set, but we need to execute we need to execute that set the set based on condition, then use if. This is using for the conditions only one set we have taken. If you have only one set, but we need to execute that set based on condition of, then use if conditions. We have taken the one set, one if conditions set based on the condition to execute of, we need to execute of this one condition. For examples of if condition, we have taken if conditions statement condition. Inside the if conditions, we have taken the statements. This different, you have taken the statement different is there error, but in this indentation errors, we have taken spaces, 3 spaces is there. It is mandatory for colon. This is the if condition statement is the ending of point, is the another one statement you have taken. This is the statement is there, and this indection error, but we have taken the three spaces. We have 3 spaces is there. It is not indexes error. We have taken the statements and the statements. We have taken the statement 1 and statement 2 and so on. This is the if conditions. Inside if conditions, we have taken the one condition is there out. This is the statements is the third conditions of this is the inside output. This is the outside the output. We have taken conditions there. First of all, we have for example, if condition is true, it can be execution of this one statement 1 and statement 2. If it is not execute, if it is not this condition is false, we have taken the outside of the value. Otherwise, if your condition is true, we have taken the inside the statement is true, then we will taken the output is there outside the values. Based on condition, this one condition is true. These conditions we have execution, and we have taken this one. First one is the output is the condition is true. Otherwise, another one, if we have taken the same as well as this is the output is there, condition is true, we have taken the condition for if condition formats. Then we will take if it is not this condition is fail, the condition is fail, this condition is fail, if it is not execution inside the statement, then we will take in the output of the value. This is the condition of if we have taken the if condition. Example of if conditions. Example of if conditions we have. First is the explanations of our user input. We have taken the user input of the value. User input of the value. For example, A name equal to input of the value is there. Enter any name. This one condition, and another one is id is there. id is using for id. We have taken the input values. Inside the input we have taken the integer values. Inside the integer value we have taken output of values, input values. Another one is enter any id. This is the string the value. This one is string the value. This one is string the value, and another one is integer value, because inside the values is there. Inside the value is there. This one is condition is string. To convert the values, this is the input. To convert the value integer based on integer value. Okay, understood friends. This one is the user defined value. This one is user defined value. User defined function. And I will explanation about another one. This is the user defined values, defined function. Free defined function is we have taken the already defined on the key value. This is the free defined value. This one is user defined. Another one is already we define the values there, free defined value. This one is if condition, and we have taken examples of a equal to examples of write a Python code. The Python code of the age is greater than is greater than A is greater than A is greater than 18 is eligible or not? This is question. This is the question. Solution is write a query, write a Python code of the age is greater than 18 is eligible or not. What 18 age is in is eligible or not. It is what eligible or not. Sorry. Write a Python code is equal to sum of a comma b value. A comma b values. A equal to integer value, A equal to integer input value, enter the value. B of integer of input of the enter b value. This is the b value, integer value. This is the a value. This is the b value, integers. We have convert the string values in integer. Both are convert the integer values. We have taken the if conditions. We have taken the if conditions a greater than equal to 5 and very b is less than or equal to 10. A equal to a plus b, a plus 4, and another one is b equal to b plus 5. If it is condition is true, a condition. We have taken the output is the outside of the, we have taken the statement is the outside output of the outside. Print A of, and another one is print B. These two conditions. We have taken the code, and the execution of the values is the Python. Yes. Cannot use the double string in this. Convert the value. Cannot use double string. Okay, fine. We have execution. This one. A is, for example, 10. B is 15. We have taken the output of the values. A is 10, B is 15. A is the 10. We have this A value is the 15, and A is greater than or equal to 5. A is 15 greater than or equal to 5 is the true. We have execution of the statements is there. A equal to A plus 4. A is 15 plus 4 equal to 19. Another one is we have explanations of we have taken the values. Another one value. This is the this is the 4 greater than or equal to 5 is the false. We have taken the, we cannot taken the inside the value inside the statement. We can execute outside of the values. Okay. This one. is the if condition. Next one we have taken, the next one is the if else condition. If else condition. If you want to, one minute, please, per 1 minute. If you want to execute only one set of two set, then use if else. Okay, fine. For examples of I will explanation of if else. If you want to execute one set, only one set, we have taken the one set out of two statement is the if else condition. One condition is a failure. First one is condition is true. We have taken the first condition and go to outside of the value. If it is first condition is false, second condition is we will take the values, we will go to outside the print of the value. This is the if else syntax. For examples, syntax you have if condition, we have taken the if condition, statement 1 this is the if black, and else condition, we have taken the else condition, statement statement 2, this one is else black. Go to outside the statement. If you go to outside the statement, automation that I will explanations if else conditions. First condition is the if condition is true, we have taken the values, condition of the true values, this one is execute, and go to the if condition statement is the outside of the statements. This one is first one, and if it is not execute if condition, we have taken the else condition. Else condition is the true. We will be execute of the insert the values in the else condition. We have taken the else conditions, go to the if condition. If it is execute, after then we will take the stay outside of the values, the output values. Then if it is not, if it is wait, okay, sorry, done. Okay, this is the if else condition. Okay, for example of we have taken the question in the same, sorry, examples of, when you have taken that, you will go to ChatGPT. Example, we have taken the example of if else, if else, if else condition of examples. Based on if else condition, we have taken these values there. For examples of number is, we have taken the any numbers, is this one. Examples, we have taken the example question. Example of, you have taken this one question. Write a program to find the largest of two numbers using if. Okay, fine. Solutions. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, A greater than B, 20, A is the largest number. If else is the print of the value, B is the largest number. Output of there, B is the largest number. we can take values in the 10, 20. B is the largest value. For example, this one A is the 20, B is the 10. This is the biggest value of A values. Okay. For example, so A equal to input of int of input of enter A value. And B equal to int of input of enter B value. Okay, we have taken the if condition. A is greater than B. This one if condition is, we have taken the if condition. Statement is print of A is bigger number. Then if we have taken the else condition, print of B is bigger number. This one is condition. We have taken the one condition. This is the code. We have taken code. For example, of A value and B value, we have taken the A greater than B. A and B values is conditions. A greater than B. A is lesser than A lesser than B. Sorry, A greater than B. This is the condition. We have taken if condition is true, we have taken the execute of the print of the value is A is bigger number. If it is not, if it is false, is there. If condition eligible for next condition, you have taken the else. It is output of the value print B is the bigger number. Execution of this one code, go to PyCharm. execution part is the we have enter a value. For example, of enter a value 10, enter b value is 15. Is the b is the bigger value, is the output. First of all, we have taken code, the copy and paste in this here. Output. We have taken the output. Another one time, this one is good, and 12 and 8. The a is bigger value, bigger number. Okay, understood, friend? There's two types. Okay. Another next one is some task is there. Example of questions. Write if first one is write a program to read a number, then check given number is even or not. So even or odd number. Another one question. Write a program to read a number, then check given number is positive or negative number. Third one is write a program to read a is, then check person is eligible. Or is eligible or not. This question is solve the question. solve the question, please comment. Comment friends. Please, any other question? Ask for comment and WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9347658009. This is a WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number. Please, any question? Comment friend. We have go to L-if condition. Third one is L-if. Okay, L-if condition. Which one? L-if condition. Third one is L-if. If you want to, if you want to execute only one set of the value set out of more than the two condition, two sets, more than two sets, then use L-if. More than two. If you want to execute only one set out of more than two L-if, as well as if else conditions, we have taken this one, if else. This is the one and two sets, and more than two sets of the more than two sets, we have taken the if, L-if, else. This is the more than two condition. If condition is false, we have taken, if condition is true, we have taken the output of the if condition. If it is not, if condition false, we have taken the L-if. That one is L-if is condition is true. we have taken the elif condition, we have condition is true, we have taken output of that one. And elif is not, elif is condition is false, we have taken the another one elif, we have taken the condition is true, that one output is there. If it is not elif conditions, so on, once or more than two conditions, more than two sets of the values, and we have end of the value is there, L condition. If it is L conditions, is we have taken the elif is condition is false, we have taken the L conditions is we have taken the output of the value. Okay, okay friend, understood? First of all, syntax. We have taken syntax. Here, if condition is syntax, write down syntax. If condition is, we have taken the if condition. Statement 1, and elif condition statement 2, first one. This is if black. This is elif black. This is else black. Okay. First of all, we have taken the if condition is this is the condition is true, we have taken this one is output of the value, is execute this one. If fact is condition is true, this one output of the value. If you have taken and output of the value condition is outside the values. If it is if it is not, if condition is not satisfied, we have go to the else if condition. If else if condition is true, we insert the statement is true, and insert the statement else is block is execution of the values is there. We have taken this condition, and if this condition is satisfied, we have taken the output of the another one is for statement 4 is we have taken. Okay, another one is if it is not, if condition is not satisfied and else is not satisfied, we have taken the else black. If it is else black, we have taken otherwise. Any condition we have taken otherwise, this is the output of the value is there. We have taken the else black and go to outside of the statements is for statement 4. This is the else black. Yes, understood. For examples of write a programming to check given number is positive or positive number or negative number or 0. Go to we have taken the question first of all we have taken the if condition n equal to input of enter any number if go to if condition, we have taken if condition n greater than or equal to 0. This condition is true is there, we have taken the print of the values is the positive number. If condition is not true, we have taken another one condition is the if the n greater than n less than 0, what is this? Oh, okay. Why? If correct. Why? Okay, for example, positive value, we have taken the positive values is the positive numbers. Minus 12, we have taken the negative numbers. Okay, another one is 0 number. Okay, fine. Understood? This is the if conditions. Another one is some questions. I have some task is there. It's a task here. Task is there. First one questions. Write a program into going to check read three numbers. Number 10, print of the value, print biggest number. One question. Another one is write a program to read age of person, then check what type of ticket he has to take. No ticket. The below 5 years. Okay. Another one is off ticket. It's a off ticket. Off ticket is between 5 to 11, and full ticket age is 12 plus or even 14. I think 14 plus age. Question. This is the first one task, and this one is second task. Okay, friend. This is the if condition questions. If condition questions, and multiple if conditions. This is important question. Multiple if conditions is very. This one is asking the any interview questions for freshers. If you have more than one if, then it is called as a multiple. If you have more than one of if, then is called it as multiple if. And if you want to check multiple condition, then use multiple if. Multiple if you have more than one if, then it is called as a multiple if. One if conditions, more number of condition, inside the more number of condition we have taken the multiple if and nested if. And if you want to check multiple condition, then use multiple if first if condition is true, go to the inside if we have taken the condition is true or false. If it is condition is true, if inside the if condition is true, we have taken the output, we have taken the state of the statement of inside the output value. If it is outside the if condition, we cannot satisfy conditions, go to the outside of condition. This is the multiple if conditions. Okay, friend, understood? Okay, syntax. Okay, first one if condition. Examples of syntax for in this multiple if condition. if condition is true, we have taken the output of the insert the values. If it is condition is true, we have taken the output of the value, and we have taken another one is if condition is true, and we have taken the if condition insert the if condition. If you have taken the insert the output values, and we have taken output of the value. Okay, and another one is if it is true, we have taken the inside of the value, go to the this one, and if it is not for it is not condition is if it is not satisfied condition, we have to the outside of the value. Okay, friend? And another one is if condition is not satisfied, we have taken the output of the statement. This is the multiple if condition. Okay, friend? For examples of examples of A equal to int of input the value, enter any number. If condition, we have taken the if condition is a is greater than 3. If condition is true, a equal to a plus 6. If it is condition is true, if condition taken the if condition a greater than 7. A equal to a plus a minus 3 of the value, a value, of the a value. This one is multiple if condition. Next, multiple if and nested if as well as same. The work, same work. Okay, thank you. 1 minute. Some task is asking now. Some task is there. One is 1 minute. Some task is there. Some task is there. Write a program to be find total number of total discount of customer so provide by default 20% discount for all customer minus in case customer has SBI and the card, then they provide extra 20% discount, and in case bill amount is 5,000 plus, then they provide extra 10% discount. Next, we go to the nested if condition. nested if condition nested if inside of another if is called as nested if condition inside another if condition we have taken the nested if. Okay, syntax of if condition. Option 1 statement 1 inside another if condition 2 statement 2 outside of another statement 3. Okay, this one is syntax. Same as well as if condition is true, this one is if condition is satisfied, and if condition another one is if conditions we have taken another one. If conditions we have taken the inside another if condition is true we have taken condition is true, and this one is condition is true we have taken go to the statement sorry we have taken the this one condition is true this one, and another one is as well as outside of the conditions. If it is not if it is not satisfied we have go to this one is condition taken. If it is not satisfied we have taken this one output, and we have a condition is taken we go to the outside of the values. Okay, Example shop. N equal to int of input of enter any number. If condition, taken if condition n greater than or equal to 1 and n less than or equal to 3. Take another if condition n equal to 1, print of the value is the print is 1. If you take an if n equal to 2. This one is if elif nested if. Okay. Thank you, friend. please subscribe and like button in this video. Just class another video in this video for loop conditions. I will explain this in next classes in this loop condition. Okay, friend. Thank you, friend, and all. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe and like button.